Hello, in this programming video we are going to cover this sorted list container together. So the sorted list is very similar to a hash table. The main difference is it sorts it by the keys. So we've got this, hash table right here. So if you haven't watched the hash table video, go and check that out. Once you're done with that, then feel free to pop on back here. I'm just gonna make one little change to the hash table. And I'll make a couple of changes. I'll change this to, 8. I'll change this to 2. I'll change this to a 7. Okay, so these clearly aren't in order. And okay, so what I also want to do is when I print it out, I'll comment out this line. When I print it out here, I'm going to first put the key itself, then I'm going to put a colon in between. Now let's run it. So we get 7, 1, 2, 3, 8. You might be thinking, that's not the order that we put it in at all. And you're right, it isn't. Because it is there's no particular order. It's based on how it just gets added in memory. Whereas with a sorted list, it is always ordered. To do a sorted list, honestly, it's really simple. And I'll change this to sorted because we'll need to make a few changes. I'll change this to sorted list, and instead of hash table, we're going to do sorted list again. And anywhere that we have hash, just need to change it to sorted. We could have left the variable name the same. The main reason I didn't is just so it was more explanatory of what we were doing. So everything else will work pretty much the same. So if we run it, as you can see, it's ordered. Even though we added it as 18372, it automatically gets ordered. And honestly, that's the main difference between a hash table and a sorted list. So make sure you watch the sorted list and the hash table video together. I will provide a link where you can look at the different functionality of a sorted list. So as an extra task, just go through it, see what you think looks really amazing, and just experiment. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next programming video.